Good morning everyone, and welcome back to the Last Frontier Cabin. It's Saturday morning at 10 a.m. It's nice and warm out. It's supposed to be really nice all weekend. So I just got here a few minutes ago. I had a little oil issue with my truck last night, so I was unable to come up last night. I had planned on it, but gotta have a truck to run, so I had to fix that last night. So I got up this morning about 6 a.m. and got all loaded up and drove up this morning. On the agenda for today, I plan on cutting down several trees that's around my cabin. So let's go ahead and get started working on that. As you notice, two of the trees didn't fall. One I cut like all the way through, but it stayed standing up, and I was too afraid to continue on. I wasn't sure if it would kick out or anything like that, so I stopped and let it stand. And I tried cutting the tree behind it. Well, that tree, even though I wanted it to fall the same direction out this way, it actually started leaning back the other direction as I was cutting it and pinched my chainsaw bar in it. So that situation was a little bit too dangerous to do anything with while I'm out here by myself. So I do have a couple neighbors that's down a ways, and I heard some hammering. So I knew one of them was up, so I went looking for him. Apparently the hammering was farther away than what I thought, because none of my neighbors that are up here were here this weekend. So I decided to come back, and I was going to try one neighbor real far away. And I came back, and both trees have fallen. This was the third tree that I was trying to fall this direction, and it finally did give way. But the other tree looks like it fell back the other direction, and I want to go and look at my chainsaw and see if it survived or if the bar is all bent up or what. So let's go and take a look. All right, it fell the right direction also. Awesome. There's my chainsaw. It was stuck in the tree right there. You can actually see where the bar was stuck. It fell the right direction also. I can't believe that. It was leaning back the other direction. I guess the wind must have kicked up and took it. Pushed it the right direction. So I cut down these three right here. One right over there in the thick is cut down also. And then that first one I cut down, that's just over there a little ways. I'm definitely glad to get these cut down. I'm gonna go and cut down a few more. If I gotta inspect my chainsaw and make sure my bar is okay. And if it is, I'm gonna go and cut down a couple more. take a look at this. Completely hollow. Timber! Let's take a look inside this tree. Wow, that goes up in there a good ways. It's totally rotted out. Just wet as can be also. Around here in the wintertime, we get a lot of really high winds coming off Denali Mountain. And it's not uncommon for dead trees and trees like this one that is hollow inside to get blown over. That's actually what happened to that tree right there last winter. So I'm glad I got them down. I can cut them up and have a little bit of firewood out of them and make some bonfires this year. So I thought I would show you something. It's about 5 p.m. at the cabin, and check this out. That's right, it's 80 degrees here in Alaska at 5 p.m. Whoever says it doesn't get hot here has never lived here. It's definitely very warm out. Good morning, everyone. It's about 11 a.m. Sunday morning, and I'm just finishing up packing to head back to town. It's already a warm day here at the cabin. It's pushing 70 degrees already at 11 a.m. So, and it's just beautiful, not a cloud in the sky. I can actually see part of Denali through the trees where I cut down the 4 big spruce trees. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much. Have a good day.